Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to unlock a Ford Focus door. First, try your key fob. Press the unlock button once to unlock the driver's door or twice to unlock all doors. If the fob isn't working, it might have a dead battery. Many Ford fobs have a hidden physical key inside. Locate the small lever or button on the fob to release it. Then, insert this key into the driver's door lock and turn it to unlock. If the key fob and physical key fail, consider alternative methods. If you have the Ford Pass app set up, you can use it to remotely unlock your vehicle. Some Ford Focus models also have a 5-digit keyless entry keypad on the driver's door. Enter your code to unlock it. For more complex situations, a professional locksmith has specialized tools, like an air wedge and a long reach tool, to safely manipulate the door's locking mechanism without causing damage. To avoid future lockouts, always keep a spare key handy. If your key fob isn't responding, try replacing its battery, typically a CR2032 lithium battery. If that doesn't work, you might need to resynchronize the fob by turning the ignition on and off multiple times, then pressing the lock or unlock button. Regularly check your key fob's functionality and ensure all doors are properly closed before leaving your vehicle. These simple steps can prevent a lot of frustration. In an absolute emergency, if all other methods fail and you need immediate access, breaking a window is a last resort. Aim for a smaller, less expensive window, like a rear side window, to minimize repair costs. Always prioritize your safety and ensure no one is in harm's way. After gaining entry, remember that if your car battery is dead, the alarm might sound when you manually unlock the door. Simply insert the key into the ignition and turn it to the run position to deactivate it. Also, for those looking to simplify their daily routine, check out the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. They're perfect for keeping your food fresh and organized.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.